Shroomfest 2023, Hole in the Rock Farm. Good early morning, spore walkers, shroomers, and lover of morels of all kinds. Today is Saturday, the day of the Shroomfest 2023 in central Indiana. Forest early. We have from 7 a.m. or whenever till 3 p.m. to drop off our shrooms for the competition, which I may or may not enter depending on what I find. And we are in the beautiful morning woods. Wish me luck. We're in some aspens, I think big too. See if we can find any blacks. There's also plenty of tulip poppers in here too. Big tooth aspen leaves. We're looking. Okay, first mushroom of the day. Another one coming out from under a rock where it's warm. Tulip morel. Okay, we got one mushroom for the contest. Da, 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 da. So 47.1 degrees. Pop this guy. Could have been warmer when he popped. So far, no mushrooms. A lot of great trees in Epic Creek, sycamores, and elm. The one and only Tom Nauman and his shop of goodies. Which, by the way, I bought this. Got Jodes up in here, which is cool. I think the most is like 19. Oh, hell no. I hope you take it. I got it.
Yes. Hey, you know if it's okay to use ethanol gas in that?
I don't know. I just put regular unleaded whatever in it.
Because most small ethanol gas no ethanol gas.
Yeah, like the, yeah, I mean,
I think so.
Do you have something to give for?
oh man.
He's in the house.
Put those couple down this way a little bit sideways.
I got my first. Yeah, she got my first one.
Yeah. First ones ever. A guy that just left found his first ones ever, and that's what this is all about. So I got
Nice.